Most companies claim their data is a strategic asset, but very few actually monetize it. What's the gap between the rhetoric and the reality?
The gap is execution discipline. Organizations collect data, store it, maybe analyze it internally, but they never package it into something a customer would pay for. The mindset is still data supports the business, rather than data is the business.
So what does it actually look like when a CDO flips that switch?
Look at John Deere. They built a precision agriculture platform called the Operations Center, aggregating field data from millions of acres. They now sell insights back to farmers and agrochemical companies. That's not a side project. It's a core revenue line worth hundreds of millions annually.
How do you define a data product versus just a report or a dashboard?
A data product has three properties. It's repeatable, it's scalable without linear cost increases, and someone outside your organization sees enough value to pay for it or trade something for it. A dashboard someone reads on Tuesday morning is not a product. A continuously updated risk score that a bank buys to underwrite loans, that is.
What industries are furthest ahead on this?
Financial services and healthcare are the most sophisticated. JP Morgan's data division sells transaction intelligence to hedge funds. Optum, the data arm of United Health, generates over $20 billion annually, largely from packaging claims and clinical data into products for pharma and providers. Retail is catching up fast. Walmart's Luminate platform sells shopper behavior data directly to suppliers.
What stops most CDOs from getting there?
Three blockers. First, legal and compliance teams that default to no without assessing actual risk. Second, internal data quality that is too inconsistent to productize. Third, and this is the most underrated, the CDO doesn't have a commercial counterpart. You need a revenue owner who understands data, not just a technologist who understands revenue.
How do you price something like this when there's no established market?
You start with value-based pricing, not cost plus. Ask what decision does this data enable, and what is that decision worth? A supplier using Walmart's Luminate to optimize inventory and avoid a stockout might save $5 million. Walmart can price accordingly. You anchor to the customer's economic outcome, not your infrastructure cost.
What's the minimum viable starting point for a CDO who wants to build the first data product in the next 90 days?
Identify one dataset your organization generates that no competitor has access to. Transaction records, sensor readings, customer behavior. And find one external buyer who has already asked you for something like it. Don't build a platform. Build one product for one paying customer. Prove the revenue, then scale the model.
One data product, one buyer, 90 days. That's the mandate.
That's how every serious data business started.